Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Azam, Chief Market Analyst at Evertrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, what we are going to discuss is pretty much about gold prices, which have moved above the 1900 price level, or in other words, the prices have reached their highest price in nearly 6 weeks. So let's have a little bit more conversation around this and then see what exactly it means. Before we do anything else, as always, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, and on the daily time frame, we are going to begin the analysis by looking at the price action. So, three different moving averages to begin with. On the daily time frame, they are as follows. First of all, we have our 200-day simple moving average just right over here, and then followed by that we have our 50-day simple moving average in pink, and lastly our 100-day simple moving average in orange. Now clearly the price has moved above the 200-day simple moving average, which was our first indication that bulls are gaining strength. Again, the price had a battle with its 200-day simple moving average, and then the battle began with the 50-day simple moving average, which the price once again won that. And then it challenged its 100-day simple moving average. And following that, the 2 days, we had the price struggling to break above the 100-day simple moving average. But as of today, the price has decided that it has what it takes to move above all the three different moving averages, which is enormously positive in terms of the price action. But one important thing that we want to see in terms of a price action is that the 50-day simple moving average, we want it to be back above the 100-day simple moving average. So basically what we really want here in terms of a price action is that the 50 trading above the 100-day simple moving average right over here, 50 trading above the 100, and then 100 is already trading above the 200-day simple moving average. That will very much put everything in, but that will line everything in terms of a price action, and then from there onwards, the price can really continue its journey to the upside. Now, in terms of resistance, when we look at the price action, this resistance level, which is at 1913, is no longer going to be valid. So we're going to delete that, because the next resistance level in terms of a price action is really at 1961 price level. It is right over here is a price level that we are really looking at, and it is very likely for the prices to continue the journey from here to all the way to this particular price level, as that is where we can see some sort of a resistance coming. Now, in terms of a trade, in terms of an opportunity, you can take this trade right now as we speak at the breakout, and then put your stop losses just below the 100-day simple moving average, because if the price closes below the 100-day simple moving average, then it is very likely that the current breakout that we are experiencing could be just a breakout. But otherwise, if this momentum continues, you may want to put your stop losses below the 100-day simple moving average and let the trade continues. Or what you can also do is you can just put your stop losses below this particular price level, which I'm going to draw it on the chart, so which is going to be just below the lows of these particular candles, so just below the 1884, let's just say 1880, and let this trade to continue its journey towards the 1961 price level. In terms of a risk to reward ratio, clearly that it really makes sense, because right now your risk is going to be just this much, while your reward is pretty much this. All of this is right over here, so clearly it is 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So let me just put the labels in terms of a price. So this is your risk right over here, and this is your reward right over here, and then your this right over here is your entry point, and this is your stop loss right over here again. Just over here, this is your stop loss level, and then this over here is your target for profit, right? Here we go. So that is pretty much the trade that we are really looking at in terms of this particular price action, and then see how the prices, how the trade will continue its journey from here onwards. But overall, the prices are looking very, very positive, and it seems like that this journey, this price action is really going to continue its journey to the upside. So let's see how it will pan out over the next few days or so, and then we will revisit and revise this price action once again. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.